Hi, my name is Scott Ryers with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2019 Mastercraft XT23. This boat comes with the teak swim platform. It has the sea deck walkthrough. Moving on through, sea deck flooring. Right on through, this boat has great storage, flip-up storage. Also has all the bow filler and rear pad filler. Flip this up, it's got a ton of storage underneath here on the port side. Pretty cool little feature over here. Boat has Mastercraft built-in cooler for those nice drinks to stay out of the way and save some space. Comes with the 4-inch screen, tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, all that comes over here. Plush sound system. There's the air dam door. Storage up underneath both of these front seats. Anchor locker right here. This boat is equipped with the white and calypso green color. Beautiful boat, looks amazing on the water. It's got the Z4 tower that comes with the wake and surf clamping wakeboard racks and the Plush tower speakers. And Bimini. This boat is awesome for wake surfing. It throws out an amazing wake surf wake and a great wakeboard wake. And because it's the XT model, this boat also water skis fantastic. So this boat's a triple threat, does everything great. A 23-foot boat. Come on out to MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, or check us out on MarineMaxGreenville.com and check out this beautiful 2019 XT23 built by Mastercraft. Thank you.